Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 30th, 2024. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, these 2 regular puzzles, one of them, two of those puzzles I need to solve. Already done one puzzle, the 3 stars puzzle. So it's time now for the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number 8453. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Wow. Alright. 4 stars puzzle has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Okay, the question is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have 1, 2. We have here 3 threes. We have here 2 fours. We have here 3 fives. 4 sixes. Alright. 2 sevens, 2 eights, and 3 nines. So the sixes are in majority. Can I start with the 6? No. Well. Not true. 6. Well, I need to wait. Let me think. How can I solve this? Need a 5 here. Need a 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next. Only place level 7 should be there. And now I can start with the 6, I believe. 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, third row. No 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Okay. 6. That means in this row we need a 6 here. Alright. Let me see which number. How about a 9 in this column? 9 in the last column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the second row, from the third row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And we have a pair here. The 5 and the 6 in the last column. The 5 and the 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Alright. Then, let me see. Yeah. 4 and 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers 5 and 4. We have 5 and 4 in this column, so no 5 and 4 in these 3 boxes. 5 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 4, 5 and 4. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. Now, Need a 9 here. 3 missing numbers now in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is number 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for 9 in the last row should be there. Okay. 3 and 8. Then. Let me see. 3, 3. Well. How about? Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Okay. Need an 8 here. Yeah. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Alright. So the 2 and the 6 are missing, yes. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. Oh, no. Let me do this column. 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 2 and a 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this big square, so no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Need a 1 here, okay. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 1. Okay. 4, 1, 7. Need a 3 here. Yeah. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a 3 in this row. 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 3 should be there. Still having, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 8 should be there. Then, let me see. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. Yeah. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. There's a lot of pairs here. Alright, 6, 3, 7. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Shoot there. Then, let me see. 2, 4, 8. Let me see. 9, 9. How about here? The 2 and the 3 are missing here. Interesting. Come on. Need a 9 here. 9 here. Here also 9. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And, no. 8 and 9, we already have a 9 here in the first row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. Now I can count. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 9. Two missing numbers in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. These 3 missing numbers in the first row are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Alright. So, and now 8, 8, 8. Do we have all the 8s? No, we don't. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Overlook this 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So now we have 7 here, 8 should be here, and a 3. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 3. We have 7 and a 3 in this column, so no 7 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Again, a lot of pairs. One box left in this column are the number. Is the number, I believe, the 2. 1, the 2 is missing here. The other 2 numbers in this big square are numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And these 2 missing numbers in this big square are numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the 1 should be here. Here. Alright, there's a lot of pairs here. Okay. 5, 5, need a 5 here. Need a 5. Yeah. 3 in this column, third column. 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. We have all the 3s, no. 3 and a 1. We have 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes and there. Can I count? No. Here, need a 3. Need a 3 there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 is missing. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So the 4 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes in there. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 and the 6, we have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. 2 and the 6, we have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in the first column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 6, 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 3, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.